have arrived. 2225 El Cid El Moro in Mazatlan, Mexico. We walk
like
in
popcorn.
to an open concept. Looks like we have little kitchenette here. All right, look, and then we walk into this dining room, living room area. Oh, it feels nice and cool in here. Oh, geez, we're gonna get lost. Holy moly. Wait, you loop back around. Oh, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh.
Got 2 closets. Here's one in the
All
bathroom.
right. Oh, geez, that's hiding. Boom. Oh, look at that. All right. Bedroom. Uh-oh. Are they solid too? You can't push those together.
Looks like we're have to use both.
All right. Jeez, it keeps going. Another bathroom back here. Oh, there's the wow.
Whoop, there's. Oh my God, look at that view.
Oh, not a bad view out of the tub area. Look at that.
Harder, and it's not.
Wow.
Soft.
All right. I don't know. There's so many curtains and so many.
Oh, here you go.
Did you find a way? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a step up. What do we got going on over here? Oh, okay. There's nope, these are just windows over this way.
That's just windows?
Nice view out that way. Oh, these windows open though. Oh, score. Yeah, we got mariachi band going on. What? Oh, there we go. Check that out. All right.
That mariachi band.
Woo! Ooh, that's a toe buster right there.
Yeah.
That's the adults only right down there.
Oh my goodness.
All right, y'all. We made it. Oh, we can see the Rio way over there where we stayed in January 2022.
Nice. I can sunbathe right here.
Ah, jeez.
Naked? That's a tub right here.
Yep. Wow. Very nice. All right. Fantastic. All right, y'all.
We're gonna go get changed.
It's a tie-dyed traveling guy representing.
Careful, you don't stub your toes on.
I'm busting up the tie-dye, rocking an old one because it was a travel day. Knew I was gonna be all hot and sweaty, so hey, it's time to get this party started. Very, very nice. All right, y'all. Like it, subscribe, leave a comment, constructive criticism. Let me know what you think about our room. El Cid El Moro Beach Resort, Mazatlan, Mexico. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.